Just hands back. Safety bars are coming down. Just need to be alone. I just need to be at home. Understand what I'm speaking on. If time is money, I need a loan. But regardless, I'll always keep it up. Fuck fake friends, we don't take L's, we just make M's. While y'all follow, we just make trends. I'm right back to work when I break ends.
Welcome to Air Raid. It takes years to become a pilot, and just one ride to feel like one.
I'm trying to be cool, but I may just go ape shit. Say fuck y'all to all of y'all faces. It changes though now that I'm famous. Everyone knows how to act now it's dangerous. But I love it, the rush is amazing. Celebrate.
Everybody, get ready.
Okay, lads, you ready for this? Sit back, hold tight.
One time.
Let me hear you scream if you want to go faster.
You're putting on the TV, so here we go. All the way to the sky. You ready to fly? Fly. You ready? Let's do it again. You ready? You ready?
Thank you for riding the Air Raid.